Material: 2 sachet Chocolatos coklat, 2 Chocolatos wafer roll, ultra milk 250 ml. Tools: mug, glass, pen and ice cubes. Cut 2 sachet of Chocolatos coklat. Pour 2 sachets of Chocolatos coklat into the bowl provided. Boil 1 glass of water at a temperature of around 70 degrees Celsius. Wait until it boils. Pour 10 tablespoons of boiling water into the chocolate powder. Then mix well. Prepare a glass, then add enough ice cubes. Pour ultra milk into the glass. Then pour in the chocolates that were stirred earlier. For the topping, you can add meses or something else. And finally, you add the Chocolatos wafer roll.